I'm Astrid.
Hi, I'm Stefan.
And we make up Adventures with Astrid. I'm super excited to have you come with us on so many adventures. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it. All right, so we are shooting off the phone today because I forgot the GoPro.
Because we may or may not have had several beers last night with our pizza and decided, you know, we have an early adventure, so we'll go to sleep early. But that also meant we were waking up early to get the best advantage. And you know what doesn't work real well first thing in the morning after beers and always on sleep? Memory recall.
So we are on the train. We're going down from Grindelwald. We're going down to the Grindelwald station, which is where we'll catch the Eiger Express gondola, which goes up to the Jungfrau.
You say it better than I do.
So there's going to be some great views along the way today, an early start so we can get up early with great weather and a few more people on the train, obviously. Yeah. So it's a good time, so about a 2-minute train ride, and then we'll be up on the gondola. What do you think, Liv?
You're so high. It's totally worth it. We really need to have some conditions this way.
I know, right? Keep in mind it was supposed to be raining, and it's gorgeous. Alright, so we're walking through from the top. There's this big long tunnel that says the tour. So we're going this way, and it's getting colder and colder the more we go. So, see what it looks like when we get a little bit further. The tour here, looks like we got a big video wall up here. That suddenly makes it feel like you're moving. Ooh, yeah. Actually, a little bit of vertigo. Nice. Good size screens. Nice. Alright, so we took the elevator up. This is the Sphinx Terrace. Up and up and up and up and up. Whew. Giant bunnies because it's Easter. There you go. 11,782 feet. Whew. Wow. Yeah. Hot to the end. This way?
Oh, sure.
All right, through the automatic door here. On this side. Ooh, and the air is cold.
Yeah, it's time for all this.
All right, so I'm gonna stop so I can flip the other way around. Back around the windy side here a little bit, right towards the peak. So the very top right there is the Jungfrau, or Jungfrau. So just kind of almost 360, almost all the way around. Super quiet, it's just beautiful. Out of the wind, it's not actually all that cold. The sun is nice. Get over here. And it gets cold because we're getting into the wind. Ooh, yeah, much colder. Ooh, you can see the station and the people over here. You can do some skiing. Crazy, you're gonna see some probably animal tracks right down the edge of the ridge. They don't look human. Ooh, cold this side. Ooh, so cold.
We can walk around their snow across
Oh, it's so cold going up that ridge right there. Alright, it's just so beautiful. I'm not sure all the video I've shot so far. Kind of come around the side, you can see around the peak, and it's very, very cold with the wind coming up that way, where it's much warmer here out of the wind in the sun. It's really not all that cold, but so Jungfrau right up there up top. See all the tracks and the birds. You can see some folks, some dots way out there. Our skiers way out, and I'm just fascinated. Where do they go? Because there's a whole trail of them that goes way out. You can see them way, 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 way out there. I'd love to know how they get back. I don't know if they ski back here and then come back. I don't know. But just beautiful. And we'll do the look down for a second because it is a long way down on the steel grate here on the deck. So, just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I feel like you could stand out here until you got sunburned to a crisp. But just a gorgeous day. Incredibly lucky. Weather was supposed to be terrible. It's supposed to be raining for like 3 days, like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and we have yet to see any rain at all. Just zip. So it's just incredible. And you see down the glacier there. So it's beautiful stuff. All right, we'll keep looking around. All right, so we found a place to sit inside. So we got the view.
Nice.
We got the view down this other side without the wind.
Which is, in my opinion, winning.
Yeah. So what do you think, Lev?
I think it's probably the most beautiful place I've ever stood in, candidly. And having a full-on sunny day, I feel incredibly lucky. I feel so much gratitude sitting here. We all get so caught up in busy day-to-day life that I think we forget that there are things like this out here that, I mean, do we want to go to the cinema or do you want to go here? So I find a lot of just appreciation standing up here.
Mm-hmm. So it's just beautiful, 11,300 feet. So we've
Little altitude sickness, but
yeah. I think it's like 2,000 feet down in the village, so it's like 9,000 feet, I think, in 45 minutes. So, yeah, but it's just gorgeous, and all kinds of skiers and all kinds of folks cross-country skiing.
yeah. It's been really interesting to watch all the different reasons why people come up here, actually.
Some seriously geared up people.
Watch some people battle through fear of heights.
Yeah. Because all of the walkways are those steel mesh, and primarily let snow through,
Yeah,
right?
for drainage.
But yeah, I mean, a couple of places, it's probably a couple hundred feet underneath you, so.
But wasn't nearly as wiggly as the bridge we walked out in yesterday.
Yeah, absolutely. So, good stuff.
Yeah.
Good stuff. We may go get a cafe.
I think that's necessary.
Sit at the top of the mountain and drink coffee. Yeah. All right, so more as we go. So we're taking the tours to the tunnels, and they say, and it appears to be a natural cave, actually. So I bet you they were probably cutting through here and hit a cave. They say the highest natural cave in Europe. Here, all at the top of the mountains. I think the water sound is artificial, but that's okay. But very cool. Very, very cool. So now we're back down from the peak a little bit, walking through the tunnels and the tours. There we go. All right, so we are post-lunch. It's really good. Yeah, it's kind of stuff. So
It's really great ride.
it's a bit of a ride down. So it's about 1:30 now. Figured we'd roll down now. Probably be the better way of going.
It's like 40 minutes on the train ride, and then like another 40 minutes on the gondola, and then like 20 minutes on the last train. Which
Yeah.
sounds like a lot, but the view is really great for the middle portion that you almost feel like you're privileged enough to get to sit there and not have to drive it. This portion's a little less because you're going through tunnels, but I mean, where we were was a huge feat for men to have made that, so I understand why.
It's absolutely worth it. So let's see, you get off the train, it's like 11,300. When you go up to the top, it's like 11,700. So the views are great, and I mean, we've heard like crazy that the weather being so perfect for us today is really unusual. So
We've been told we're very lucky several times.
yeah, so just great.
And then my personal place, you may get a little altitude sickness. It's fine. Just take breaks. Make sure you bring water with you. Mint can help. It's really high up, and if you're used to living at sea level or below sea level, it can be quite the trip up. I had a little bit of that, but I'm here to tell you it was totally worth fighting through.
Yeah, so all good. So we're gonna ride the train down, mainly through the tunnel, so not a lot to see. Maybe shoot a little video on the gondola.
It doesn't see how close the wall is.
Yeah, the wall is really close out there. So, all right, so we'll ride down. So we got this view coming up, but again, here we go, heading down the gondola. This on the north face of the Eiger is just so amazing. It's so dramatic. A little bit more full gondola. We had good weather all day, which has just been wonderful. Just absolutely beautiful.